Hey guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Gadgets. Today, we're taking a look at the KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine KF6, model KES8556PL in porcelain white, a premium espresso maker designed to bring cafe-quality coffee into your kitchen with ease and consistency. Don't forget to check price in the description below. This fully automatic espresso machine is built to deliver rich, flavorful espresso shots with the push of a button. It features intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface that makes it simple to select your drink, adjust strength, and customize your brews to suit your taste. Whether you want a classic espresso, lungo, or a milk-based drink, this machine handles it all with smooth precision. One of the key advantages of the KF6 is its automatic grinding system, which grinds fresh beans for every cup, ensuring optimum flavor and aroma. This means you don't need a separate grinder. The machine takes care of it all inside a sleek and elegant design. The auto-tamping and brewing process delivers consistent extraction, so every shot tastes balanced and rich. The machine also includes a built-in milk frothing system, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and flat whites. The frother works smoothly to create creamy microfoam, ideal for latte art or just enjoying silky textured milk in your coffee. The large, easy-to-clean milk container makes daily use and maintenance practical for busy mornings. In terms of design, the porcelain white finish gives this espresso machine a refined and modern look that fits beautifully in most kitchens. Its compact footprint doesn't take up too much counter space, yet it still offers a large water reservoir and bean hopper, so you can make multiple drinks without frequent refills. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to automatic cleaning cycles and removable parts that make it easy to keep the machine fresh and hygienic. With regular use, you'll appreciate how quickly and consistently it produces cafe-style espresso drinks, perfect for both beginners and seasoned coffee lovers alike. Overall, the KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine KF6 KES8556PL brings together convenience, performance, and elegant design, making it a great choice for anyone who loves high-quality espresso and milk drinks at home without the hassle of manual brewing. Thank you, see you in next video.